Safety Officer and Safety Engineer question and answer. 1. What is your experience with developing safety policies and procedures? I have developed safety policies and procedures in line with ISO Standards and OSHA 29 CFR standards, ensuring they meet legal requirements and company operations. My approach involves risk identification, employee consultation, and management approval to make procedures both compliant and practical for workers. 2. How do you conduct a risk assessment? Risk assessment is a systematic examination. What, in your work, could it harm people? To conduct risk or to manage risk, we should do assessment by following steps to analyze and mitigate. Step 1. Identify the hazards. Step 2. Decide who might be harmed and how. Step 3. Evaluate the risks. Step 4. Record your findings. Step 5. Review the risk assessment regularly. 3. Can you explain the key elements of a safety management system, SMS? Key elements include policy and leadership commitment, hazard identification and risk assessment, legal and OSHA, ISO, compliance, training and competence, operational controls and emergency preparedness, incident reporting and investigation, performance monitoring and audits, continuous improvement. 4. How would you handle an employee who violates safety regulations? First, I would stop the unsafe act to prevent harm. Then I would discuss the violation with the employee, provide coaching or retraining, and explain the human impact of unsafe behavior. For repeated or serious violations, I would escalate as per company policy, ensuring fairness while maintaining compliance with OSHA and ISO 45001 disciplinary requirements. 5. What methods do you use for identifying workplace hazards? What methods do you use for identifying workplace hazards? I use proactive and reactive methods, workplace inspections and safety audits, ISO 45001 OSHA standards. Job hazard analysis, JHA, task risk assessment, TRA, job safety analysis, JSA, reviewing incident and near-miss reports, employee feedback, toolbox talks, and BBS, behavior-based safety observations, compliance checks against OSHA 1910-1926 regulations. 6. How do you ensure compliance with safety regulations and standards? Regular audits and inspections, training and awareness aligned with ISO 45001 and OSHA requirements and local standards. Updating policies when regulations change, monitoring contractor compliance, encouraging a safety culture where employees feel responsible for safe practices. 7. Describe a time when you responded to a safety incident. During a project, for example, a worker experienced a fall from a ladder. I immediately provided first aid, secured the area, and reported the incident. Using root cause analysis, RCA, under local and international guidelines, we found improper ladder placement. Corrective actions included refresher training, new ladder inspection procedures, and enhanced supervision. Since then, ladder-related incidents have not occurred. 8. How do you stay updated with the latest safety regulations? Reviewing OSHA updates and ISO revisions regularly, attending seminars, webinars, and professional safety courses, for example, iosh/nibosh/ASSP.BOHS, AIHE, ASIJH, participating in safety forums and professional networks, following publications from regulatory bodies and government authorities, sharing updates with my team during safety meetings and toolbox talks. Thanks.